This dick is nuts.
This is a certified hood classic.
Now I'm just gonna... I was sat on my chair. It was nice to make your hair. Once or twice, you got up and slapped me. I said thank you. I was sat on my chair. Hey, I'm happy with that one too. On my chair.
What?
I've got something to say.
Who?
I ain't actually gay. Who? Maybe I'll drink some Kool-Aid because I have some cool air. Now I'm alone. Nobody knows. But I've got power that you can't beat. I'm from the LGBT, and you know what else I got? A massive, big, fat
penis.
I was sat on my chair. It was nice to make your hair. Once or twice, you got up and slapped me. I said thank you. Now that is what I call the most perfect rap. I've wrote the blood most cancerous lyrics. I've wrote the blood most lyrics. I've wrote the blood most cancerous lyrics. I've wrote the blood most lyrics. This is just the first bit, by the way. I can't do it properly because fuck it up and it really annoys me. So you're going to do with that. Anyway, now I have to add the. And obviously at that point, you cut out the cough. And it'll be like a funny sound, like a spring, like a. Oh well. I'm glad you like it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy wasting your time trying to make a song out of that shit.